Kailangan ng moral support kay Ariel sa dulo.
CR eh.
Shoutout kay Emo, tumatak mo ba? Nasa second floor, Emo. Yun, shoutout sa inyo lahat. Sa mga lalang sa taas. Sa mga nakapila sa Vikings, bulong na ba kayo?
Bili na kayo ng t-shirt.
Tagal yan.
Game.
Ano talaga?
Oli. Yeah. Kickflip. Kickflip tayo. Maybe Oli. Good. Take it.
Bad. Family for Jasper. Bring the blender for Ariel. No blender.
Bad, flip. Noli flip. Noli.
No flip. Ano yun? Sorry.
Noli flip.
No flip. Not good.
Bad, lead.
Pressure for Jasper.
Bad, lead. Same. Bad, lead.
Yeah. Pressure good.
Bad, stop.
Yes, I found it.
Bad, lead. One side big spin.
Good.
One side treasure.
One side pressure. Yeah. Bad, good, all one.
Noli in.
No hit by Ariel. Quick defended.
Pitch in.
Good shield by Ariel. Quick defended by Jasper.
Take it front side big spin.
Take it past side big spin by Ariel. Not good. Pressure. Past side big spin by Jasper. Good.
Pasok lahat.
Good job.
Good.
Pasok lahat.
Ano yung parang ang tagal yung liver?
Hindi, tumama lang. Tumama lang kayo.
Pero good sila. Ayo, ilan ba yung nag-good?
Yung pasok, good na good. Pasok.
Good. Judges decisions good. 2. 1. Traffic. Past side big spin.
Bad.
Not good.
Lead.
Good.
Good. Bad.
All two.
Fish Oli.
Fish on it.
Activated.